everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alissandra and I do YouTube videos on fashion, lifestyle, and just a little bit of everything. Today we will be making those DIY chunky clay rings you all have probably seen on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, literally everywhere. I am in love with them too, so I kind of wanted to make my own for a cheap and affordable price. A lot of the materials I'll be using are things that you can find at home, which just goes to show you don't have to buy a lot of things to do just a fun project like this. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It would help me a lot. And yeah. So the essential material you probably need to buy is the actual clay. This is just a kit or a pack with a lot of colors in it. This is the Sculpey brand. I have these as well. These are also individual packs you can buy. These are all polymer clay, which are oven baked clays. The next materials you'll be needing, you can literally find at home. For the rolling pins, I'm using these two, a mascara bottle and just a hairspray bottle. Literally anything will work. To actually cut your clay, I have this kind of X-Acto knife blade, but you can probably use a kitchen knife, a butter knife, literally anything will work. I'm using this dry erase board. I don't have a dedicated clay, what is that, cutting board. You can honestly just do it on the actual table if you don't mind, or whatever is best for you guys. But today I'll just be using a dry erase board just because. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're also looking for some inspiration when you're making these clay rings, I have a Pinterest board dedicated to just many clay ring designs. Go ahead and check it out. I put it in the link in my bio. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Show you guys. Whoa. Love that. We're gonna start pretty simple. Do a straight chunky one, this gold one. I'm just gonna warm it in my hands. So I'm rolling it kind of in a log. I have my rolling pin and I'm just gonna roll it out. Oh my god, this is so fun. I feel like this is really fun to do if you're with your friends and y'all don't really have anything to do. This is a fun little project. I literally rolled it out. Now I'm just gonna cut it. I'm like not a pro at this. I'm kind of just winging it. Oh my god, I cut it too short. Crap. Ugh. Now I'm just gonna kind of smoothen it out. Just press on it and blend it. What does James Charles say? Don't blend in.
And remember to blend, but don't blend in.
Don't blend in? Blend out? Never mind. I don't know. So we did this one, a simple flat chunky one. I'm gonna do a flat marbly one. I'm gonna do a green one because green, you know. So I'm gonna open this one. This is the Fimo clay. This one is more expensive than the Sculpey or Craft Smart clay. It must be special, I guess. Okay, the Fimo one's a little bit dry. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. It's literally just like crumbling in my hand. Oh my gosh, it's literally crumbling. Is it my fault? Oh my god. What the heck? Guys, do y'all see this right now? It's literally so dry. Okay, we're kind of getting there. Okay, maybe this is like a defective pack. Anyways, I don't recommend this Fimo clay, guys. It took me a while, but once you kind of mold it with your hands, it should come together. I made a few shapes in the time being. So yeah, I made this squiggly shape that's very popular. I just rolled it out into a long log and then squiggled it like you would think to do it. These aren't supposed to be perfect when you're making these, just keep that in mind. They're supposed to look a little bit homemade. That's the beauty of it. Okay. That looks like a pasta. It looks like a piece of pasta. What the heck? Like if I wore a pasta as a ring, you cannot tell the difference. I think we should switch to a different color. I am really loving these pink colors and these blue colors. So I feel like if I marbled them, this one's like a glittery white color, which is pretty cute as well. I kind of want to do a cow print one. I also got a baking tray and I put all the rings that I'm going to put on it. This is a very pretty lavender color. Kind of press them together. I'm going to stick it on. I think that's so cute. I love that. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but that is literally the moral of the story today. I think that's pretty good. Okay, That is so cute. I love that. Can you tell that's a cow? Can y'all tell that's a cow? I think it looks like a cow. That is so cute. I love this one. I think this one's like becoming my favorite now. Very cute. It's very cute, guys. I think I want to make another one of that. I'm gonna do another squiggly one. Okay guys, so I already made a lot. Probably just gonna make some more. You're gonna wanna bake these at 275 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just check on them, make sure they don't get burnt or anything. I'll probably see you guys in another day because I'm probably gonna wait a day until I glaze them. I'm gonna go ahead and bake them. After that, we're gonna gloss them. So yeah.
You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television on. Set me in the corner now and technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me?
Hey guys, so I ended up baking the rings for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you let them cool and air dry before you like mess with them. And yeah, I made a lot and I'm really happy with how a lot of these turned out. I'm definitely gonna make some more in my free time. So I'm going to go ahead and glaze them. You don't have to do this, obviously, it's up to you. Some of them I do like just the clay look to it, but I feel like having the glaze makes it a bit stronger because I have already worn a few of them out and they do kind of break easily. So I have Mod Podge. You can get a designated glaze for clay, but it honestly doesn't matter. You can also use clear nail polish. I've seen a lot of people do that, but I already have Mod Podge at home, so I'm gonna use this. This is the gloss one. And then I just have a paintbrush. Let's go ahead and gloss these. I'm gonna start with like a simple one. Okay. Ew, there was a bubble. Okay. This is just a simple green one that I made. I'm just gonna dip my brush in and then you just gloss them. Super easy to do. Your hands will get sticky. I feel like mine are already getting sticky. It doesn't take too long to dry. So I just wanted to show you guys the different types of clay rings that I made. Starting off with like the basic ones, I made these chunky green ones. These are probably one of my favorites. I think I have a lot of favorites, but I honestly love how these look. These two really, really thick and chunky ones. They kind of look like a noodle, like this one looks like a noodle, but they're just thick and chunky. I really wanted just to experiment with different sizes. I made some simple flat ones, some mostly in green. Then I made this really cool one. I wanted to experiment with like a square shape. So it literally looks like a square or like a coaster. I don't know how to describe these. This is like a simple white one. And then this one is very glittery. Kind of looks like a Jolly Rancher or like a candy cane. And then I made a lot of these squiggly ones. I know y'all have seen these designs everywhere. Did a lot of them in different colors. I marbled some of them. I kept some just one solid color. And then I made these cow print ones. These are probably my favorites. I don't know why. These turned out really good. I just love the cow print because they're like in pastel colors. So these braided ones, okay, these are really cute too. I made these green braided ones. This braided one, it's like a pastel trio. So I got blue, pink, and purple. And this one is a pink braided one. These like four, I guess, I was inspired by, you know, those marshmallows, those like unicorn marshmallows. I think they turned out really cute. This one is just like a knot that I tied. And then I have chunky yin and yang ones. This blue one, gold one, and then this pink one. I have these kind of experimental ones. This kind of pretzel looking one. This green one I actually really like. I've worn it a few times already. And this kind of like tiger striped. And then I made these heart ones. They kind of look like little band-aids to me for some reason. And then this one was kind of hard to do, but these are lips. I've seen like those lip rings and I tried recreating them. So I really enjoyed making these DIY rings. Let me know in the comments if you want me to try other trendy DIYs because I love making them and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making them. But yeah, I do have an excess of rings, and if you guys would like, I would love to do a giveaway for you guys when we hit 1K subscribers. Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.